Let's talk Chainlink. The price prediction according to the link chart is very, very tasty. It's a coin that I've been watching for several weeks and it's very much broken out, not just in dollars, but also in Bitcoin. You can see in the last week, Link is actually up 25%, and that's up against Bitcoin. That's not even in dollars. This is up 25% against Bitcoin. And the Bitcoin dominance, as you can see, has also been rallying. So if we look at what it's done in dollar terms, we can have a look at that. And based on these analysis, this charting that I'm going to show you, we're going to look at what's likely next for Link, because in dollar terms, it's up 50%. The question many people will be asking, is it too late? Have I missed the Link pump? Well, I believe not at all. And in fact, I don't even believe the pump has started yet. We haven't actually seen altcoin season even start. So Link has been performing on its own in this way. Just imagine when the Bitcoin dominance starts to, let's say, consolidate a bit. What will Link do then? It's all very, very bullish, guys. So stick with me to the end of this one, because I'm going to give you Link's price prediction, short, medium, and longer term. Please hit the like button, guys. You must smash the like. You don't have to, but it does really help, and it will bring more people into Link, into the channel, and it's much appreciated. If you turn the bell on, you won't miss a future altcoin video, like when I posted my top 5 ones yesterday. And by the way, all 5 of those coins have pumped since making that video. So yeah, subscribe, join the family, turn the bell on. It's all good vibes here. And let's begin. So first up, what I want to show you is the Link weekly chart. We can see that it broke out of this sideways channel that had been in action for the best part of a year. In fact, longer than a year, from, you could say, June 2022 up until recently, October. So we have an initial price target on the Link price, taking us to about $13.50. So we may still have, let's say, in terms of percentage, and this is just in the short term, remember, we may still have about another 20 to 25% upside potential for the Link price. But what I want to do, I want to zoom out a little bit here and show you this chart for Link. So bear in mind, the altcoin market is becoming ripe for altcoins. The Bitcoin dominance has been rallying, is likely to see some consolidation. And we can see for the Link price, we have a bullish MACD convergence. We can see it's turning green, which is very, very bullish. The one other thing I'll show you before we get into the nitty-gritty of the very exciting price predictions we have for Link is look at this chart. This is the Link Bitcoin chart. So it's like what I was showing you here when I had the cryptocurrencies priced in Bitcoin. So Link has rallied 25% against Bitcoin. Well, this is the chart for that. You can see it's a breakout. You can see we have a clear breakout, and the potential we have for Link moving up against Bitcoin is massive, about 400%, 4x. That's just against Bitcoin. That's not the Link price in dollars. Let's talk about the Link price in dollars. And in this video, I'm going to actually be opening up a Link trade with you. For those of you that are subscribed, you'll know I have an Ethereum trade open at the moment. And I'm going to show you in this video opening a Link trade. So you'll know exactly the kind of levels I'm looking at and the kind of trade that I'm putting on. But first, let's talk about the analysis. Here we go, Link. So this is what I'm expecting, let's say, long medium term, then I'll do medium term, then I'll do short term. These are my targets. An initial take profit one target is about $18. Why? Well, $18 is a major previous support and resistance. You can see how it was supported all through the bull market of 2021. And it's also our next, believe it or not, weekly level. So about $18. So that target is still, in terms of percentage, we still have about a 55% upside potential. The good thing about Link is we're way above the moving averages, and we're moving way above the 200-day moving average. So that is really take profit long, medium term. And then you have, of course, $27. Then you have about $34, and then, of course, all-time high territory of $52. I believe by, let's say, Q2 of next year, we will be at the all-time high price for Link. There's definitely a bullish narrative for Chainlink, and may it continue. So going more into the medium time frame here, and this is when I'm basically gonna show you the trade I'm looking at. This is the kind of a short medium term trade. You can see Link very much has a bull flag in effect. So I'm just going to draw this very rough, but you can see we had this bull flag, and what you have about, and this is broken out already, by the way, guys. The target for this bull flag, let's look at this together, is taking us up to a price prediction for Link. We're going to do an extended move here, taking us up to about $14.84. So upside potential of about 33%. It's massive. Now, what I'm going to do, I'm going to go over to my BingX account here. And by the way, if you use the link down below for BingX, it's a brilliant exchange. You can trade on BingX futures, 150x leverage. And when you sign up using the link down below, the first 200 people, guys, are going to get 100 USDT for free. You just need to sign up, make a deposit, and then you'll be able to get bonuses 100 USDT. So I actually signed up with an account for these bonuses, and I've got some bonus money in this account. I've actually got $256 in it now. And what I'm going to do is open up a link trade. So I'm going derivatives, perpetual, and I'm going to use moderate leverage, moderate to high leverage for an altcoin, 15x. I'm going to confirm that. And what we're going to do here, guys, is simply put in a long trade. We're going to use about 90% of the balance here. I'm going to actually do 20x for easier maths to understand. And basically, my $250 here is going to be a $5,000 trade. So I'm going to be magnified 20x. If it goes up 1%, I'm going to earn 20%. That's the power of using leverage. So I'm going to lock that trade in. I'm going to go long. I'm going to confirm that. And now we can see we have a link trade open right now. So make sure you're following me on Twitter at @𝗪𝗏𝗏𝗏. If you follow me on Twitter, you'll be able to follow this trade and basically follow along if I take profits, when I take profits, etc. So yeah, it's at @𝗪𝗏𝗏𝗏. So once again, to get your free crypto on BingX, trade on BingX, first 200 people, use that link down below, guys. You'll get $100 for free when you make a deposit and a trade. And you can check out Telegram groups below as well. So Link's looking very, very good. Very, very bullish indeed in the very, very short term. The only major resistance I would make you aware of is the resistance at $11.40. We need to cross that level to move to the next upside potential. In the very short term, Link to me is looking very much like it's to the up. Very, very bullish indeed. And I would like to know in the comments down below if you agree. Are you also bullish on Link, guys? Let me know. I believe we have huge upside potential. And yeah, maybe you also want to go long. Maybe you don't. It's fine to disagree as well. What I would suggest, guys, is to also watch this 5 top altcoins to buy now video on my channel. It features Link, but it also features 4 other really good opportunities. And yeah, check out any one of these videos on screen before you go, like my Ethereum price prediction or my BingX trading tutorial video. Thanks for joining me. See you on the next one, guys. Take care. Bye-bye.